Does your Outlook mailbox look too bright, too cluttered, or just uncomfortable to use throughout the day? If you're using the new Microsoft Outlook, there's actually a powerful appearance menu that most people completely ignore. In this video, I'll show you how to customize Outlook's look and feel, from themes to dark mode, so you can make it cleaner, more productive, and easier on your eyes. Okay, so here we are in Microsoft Outlook. To open the appearance menu, first go to the settings icon right here and then click on General. After that, click on Appearance. This opens the appearance menu. What you'll see in the beginning are the modes. There is a light mode, which basically makes your Outlook look more bright. And then there is also a dark mode, which will basically make it look more dark. You could also choose the Use System Settings option to basically resemble what your Windows settings currently are, right? Let's say I go with dark. The dark appearance makes your reading more easier and it is also more comfortable. The light option is of course great, but it depends upon personal choice. If you are using Outlook for a very long period of time throughout the day, I would recommend go and choose the dark mode because it is much more gentle on your eyes. After you do that, you could then scroll down and see the modern themes. When you see modern themes, you can simply click on any one of them and see your background changing in real time. So let's say I move this window out here and then I choose all of these themes. As you can see, while I choose, it automatically changes the background and the color theme of my Outlook. But let's say I want a more simpler way of using my Outlook. I could then instead just pick a color. So when I pick a color, what it will do is it will simply change the color theme. But in this case, there is no background at all, right? As you can see, the background is black. So essentially, you would have your Outlook, which is more simpler. And then as I scroll down, you would have the other themes, the classic ones, right? What it does is when I choose any one of them, it will not change or add a background, but it will simply change the theme and add a color theme to your window pane, right? Apart from that, it will also change and add a color scheme. So as I keep clicking on different themes, as you can see, the window as well as the color theme are changing based on my selection. But let's say I would like to stay with one of these, which adds a background or maybe a color as well, right? When I scroll down, you would see a navigation bar option. What this one would do is, if you say, I don't want colorful app icons, notice on this side of the pane, right? You would see these ones becoming black and white, like this. When I move it again, it becomes a colorful icon. Let's say I want to also add names since these icons are not very clear to me. I could then turn this on. It would then add a name to each of these options out here, right? So if I want a more leaner look, I could just disable this. Or if I would like to have a name or a label, it would basically show all the app names on the left. And that's how you look at changing your Outlook and adding various appearances in terms of themes, the color schemes, and the overall look and feel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.